Hi guys, welcome back from Slime Dream. This is Nicole. So this video is not going to about slime. This video is going to be AirPods. So I just bought this before I had bought another one from Amazon to compare. So let's see. This scissors is kitchen scissors. Because I'm too lazy to go out and get my own scissors. Here we go. Okay. So this. Here we go. So first there's some instruction, I think. Yeah, some instruction about the plugs, which I don't really need the information. Next I have this plugs that really the charger. It's just like the normal charger of iPhone 6, 7, 8, 10, which I have a 10. So this is the case of it. Gonna peel off now. Cause this is like the okay. I'll express because it's matte. Okay, so and then this is the right side, it says so. And then there will be a green light right here. That means that it's charged. And when you just open your phone, it's going to be connected. Which now I'm using my phone to make this video, so I can't do it for now. So I might use another phone to do it. Please get another phone for that. So I got another phone to try this one and see if it will work. And this is not my phone. This is not my phone. Oh, it's right. I can't believe I know the password. So first you have to open your Bluetooth. Okay, I open up my Bluetooth. Then I'm going to open this. Okay, then, oops, you have to open it like that. Then it would show this, here. And then it will show how many battery right there. Like the focus over there.
Hello.
Okay, so you can see that it's not focusing. It's just ready to, it's connected. And this thing is 71%. And the earplug says 83%. So now it's already connected and you can use it. Gonna take it out. Use it. I'm sorry, because Denise is getting her paper and paint. Now let's try something, because this is not mine. I'm serious, this is not mine. I mean, the phone is not mine, so this is mine. It's better. Now let's just type some music. That's disgusting. Oh my god. It is not working for me. Maybe because I didn't open. Oops. That's always the problem. I always can't connect stuff. Yeah, it should be connected. And yeah.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Okay, let's try. Yep, now it's. Yep, now it's working. Yep. Oh, pretty well. I'm trying.
Does it work? Guys, if you hear that background noise, the whole family's okay.
So it worked perfectly. It sounds good. And then I'm gonna put this back right here. So this is the left side, so you put in the left one. Okay. Now it'd be charged. Then so the charger
I think you need to start with one color first and then you
From
put some on the top.
here. So I will not open this because I already have one of these chargers. And you know this stuff. It actually is really normal. It's just like a normal Bluetooth plugs. And now there's just normal stuff that usually is. Thanks for how I put this back. And there's one of these little ones that we use. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and like the video. We're going to make more slime videos. We have made some of it, but we didn't edit it. So we're going to post it soon and you guys will watch it. See you.